Alright, so I forget if I did the intro or not, and I don't know if I did or didn't. But anyways, so we're gonna start at how we always. Man, it's dark as mess in my room. But we're gonna start it like how we always started. Welcome back to the littest channel in Bowling Springs. It's your boy. It's just Jaden, or it could be it's your host. It's just Jaden. But we're gonna sleep on that. We're gonna sleep on that. But we're gonna be doing a reaction video. Man, it's dark as mess in my room. We ain't gonna talk about it. But we're gonna do a reaction video to a video my mom sent me because she was like, react to this, and I was like, I. And I was like, wait, hold up. I don't know how to react to things, but you know, we figured it out. We on that grind. And so we about to react to this video real quick. And right before it starts or anything, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support and everything y'all do for me. And like watching my videos, it really do mean a lot. And I hope you enjoy the video when watch my reactions. And you're gonna, yeah. Right, let's get into the video. So it's gonna like be like, it's either gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's gonna either be like right here. Why my finger look like that? It's either gonna be like right here, or okay, let me say like right here, or like right here, or maybe it's gonna be somewhere. You're gonna be able to watch it. Okay, let me get into the video. It already took like a minute. Oh! Oh! It ate the thing. Oh my god! That's nasty. She just gagged. Oh! You getting a haircut after that. You definitely getting a haircut after that. Oh! Oh! I don't understand. They hugging, they chilling, they kissing. I thought it was about to be some like boom boom boom.
Jimmy, go.
You're trying to get in there. They just want to give him the carrot. That cup ain't gonna do nothing. Just give him the carrot.
Yes, it is. No, it's not. Ow!
You dead wrong. You dead wrong for that. You definitely dead wrong for that. I thought it was gonna be real animals the whole time.
Someone's fighting me.
Did you see that man's head? Did you see the white one's head? Give him the food.
Shut up.
That man got some serious, like, you know when you, like, that man got some serious gains. Like, his teeth. I did not know giraffes' tongues were this long. Oh, he walking up to the door. Big body walking up to the door.
It's gone.
No! He put his whole head in. Just give him the cup. Just give him the cup. He'll give it back. He'll give it back when there ain't nothing in there. He'll give it back.
Oh my god!
Look at that,
me.
Ew,
It
that's
touched
spit.
me,
Ew,
that was-
Oh, look at that! Hey!
Alien really likes when they slobber on
Zebra.
it.
Zebra.
Alien, what's in your pants?
Zebras are so cool, yo.
He's taking my cup. He's gone. It's gone. No!
I think we already watched this clip. What? Did you see that man's teeth? Open your teeth. Hey, bro, let me see them teeth again. Oh, this man got bad camera angles. Uh-oh. Spit in the face. Oh, alright. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. That was actually kind of funny. That was actually kind of fun to react to. I think I might do more of these reaction videos. Well, anyways, see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. It's cold. Why is it cold in my house? Have you ever been cold in your house, but you're afraid to touch the temperature? But you know what? That's all we're going to say. But thank you guys for watching. And I appreciate all the love and support y'all give me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace on the streets. Can't say that other part, but you know what I mean. It's your boy. It's just Jaden, the man in the B Springs, and that owns the littest channel in the Bowling Springs. Jaden, we out, baby. Yes, sir. Have a great day.